Join me as I dig deep to discover what really causes e-bike tire punctures. I'm taking on the challenge of finding the most common culprits. In this video, you'll discover the common causes of e-bike tire punctures and how to prevent them. Punctured tires can be a huge frustration for e-bike riders. There's nothing worse than being out on a ride, enjoying the scenery, than when suddenly you feel that dreaded thud and your tire goes flat. It's not just the inconvenience of having to stop and fix the puncture that's the problem. It's also the safety concerns that come with riding on a flat tire. A puncture can leave you stranded far from home or any bike shop, and in some cases it can even lead to loss of control, causing accidents. For many riders, e-bikes are a vital part of their daily commute or weekend adventure, and a puncture can really throw a wrench into those plans. The hassle of dealing with a puncture is compounded by the fact that e-bikes are often heavier and travel at higher speeds than traditional bikes, which can make them more susceptible to punctures and make the ride back home even more perilous. I've lost count of how many riders I've spoken to who've had to deal with the stress and hassle of a puncture, and it's something that can really take the joy out of riding. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious enthusiast, punctures can be a major bummer. Dealing with punctures can also be expensive. Between the cost of replacement tubes, tire liners, and the time spent fixing the bike, it can add up quickly. For some riders, the fear of getting a puncture can also be daunting, and it limits their riding. They might avoid certain routes or hesitate to get on longer rides, which defeats the whole purpose of having an e-bike in the first place. So let's take a closer look at what causes these punctures. One of the most obvious culprits is road debris. Things like glass, sharp rocks, nails, and metal can all cause punctures if you're not careful. Tire wear is another big factor. If your tires are worn down too much, they're more susceptible to punctures. And then there's improper inflation. If your tires are underinflated, they're more likely to get punctured. But here's the thing, a lot of riders don't realize just how much of an impact their tire pressure can have on their risk of getting a puncture. If your tires are underinflated, the tire is more likely to flex and make contact with sharp objects in the road, increasing the risk. On the other hand, overinflating your tires can make them more prone to punctures from sharp objects as there's less give in the tire. Another surprising cause of puncture is the pinch flat, which happens when the tire is compressed against the rim, often due to hitting a pothole or a curb. This can cause the tube to be pinched and punctured, and it's a lot more common than you might think. The good news is that there's ways to avoid pinch flats, such as using tire liners or making sure your tires are properly inflated. So what can you do to avoid punctures? One of the best things you can do is keep an eye on your tire pressure and make sure it's at a recommended level. You should always try to avoid riding over debris in the road and consider using tire liners or puncture-resistant tires. So to recap, punctures can be caused by road debris, tire wear, improper inflation, and pinch flats. By keeping an eye on your tire pressure, avoiding debris, and using protective gear, you can minimize your risk of getting a puncture. Don't forget to like, comment, and check out this video and the 5 riding tips that I put together for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.